How to upgrade SuiteCRM. First of all, go to the official SuiteCRM website and click on the download button at the top. Here you will find the link to download the SuiteCRM 8 file. Next, go to the local disk C, then open the XAMPP. And after that, go to the dock. Here, create a new folder with any name like this, then paste the Suite 8 zip file inside it. After that, right-click on the file and extract it right here. Open the browser and in the address bar type localhost / then the name of the folder in which the SuiteCRM 8 file has been extracted. Next, click on the SuiteCRM 8 folder and after that, open the public folder. You will be redirected to the installer. Here, accept the software's license, then in the configuration section, insert the URL of your CRM instance. Select the Ignore System Check Warnings option, and then click on the Proceed button. That's it. Thanks for watching.